What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about the difference between automatic and manual calcs in Excel, which is a very key feature to know about whenever you're working with large workbooks. So by default, Excel workbooks are in automatic, which is a great feature for a lot of small and moderate sized workbooks and worksheets because whenever you make a change, everything will automatically recalculate. So for example, I have this random sample and I have this amount, now this total. And whenever I make a change in this workbook, for example, like total right here, where I type like, okay, the formulas automatically recalculate, which is helpful as it will always make sure that you're having the right number whenever you are calculating something and will always be as up to date as possible. However, this automatically calculates your entire workbook, which is fine in something like this, which is super small. But in the large model or a large workbook, that can be very, very cumbersome and can make it to where your Excel sheet will freeze up for 5, 10. I've had sheets freeze up for 20, 30 minutes before, just recalculating. So to avoid that as much as possible, you can leverage the manual option. And I click on this, and whenever I make a change, like total, for example, as you can see, the formulas are not recalculated. But I can then recalculate the sheet by going to here, so formulas, and then calculate now, which calculates the entire workbook every time I click it, or calculate sheet, which calculates just the sheet that I'm on, or you can press F9 as a keyboard shortcut to calculate the entire workbook, or Alt MJ to calculate the sheet, which, if I'm being honest, I work as a financial analyst and that's my default is to have it on manual calcs because a lot of what I work on is very heavy. And calculating sheets can make it to where I only calculate the things I want to. There's a third option to be mindful of. It's less common, but just be aware there is an option for partial, which calculates everything except for data tables, which is under what if analysis and is something that you can use in some workbooks and is a good option if data tables are prevalent, but it's something to be kind of ignored if you're not using the data table feature under what if analysis. Um, that said, yeah, those are the two key different calculation options. If you want things to automatically calculate as you're updating it, then use automatic. But if you're working with a large workbook, default to using manual. So that said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.